In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Netlify HTML file. Start by opening your Netlify dashboard in your browser. From the main navigation on the left, click Projects to view your existing sites and the options to add a new one. At the top, choose Add New Project to begin creating a site from your local files. Here you'll see a few different paths. There's an option to start building with an AI agent, which can scaffold and configure a project for you. And there's also an option to import a Git repository if your code lives on a platform like GitHub or GitLab. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the simplest path. Upload your project files. Before you upload, a quick note on what Netlify expects. If you're deploying a basic HTML site, the most reliable setup is a folder that contains an index.html at its root, along with any assets like CSS, JavaScript, and images and subfolders. You can upload the folder as is, a zip of that folder, or even a single HTML file if that's all you have. On the upload screen, you can drag and drop your folder or file directly into the window to deploy instantly. If you prefer a file picker, click the button to choose a folder. In the dialog that opens, select your project folder and then click Open. Netlify will show you a quick confirmation, and when you're ready, click Upload to start the deployment. Netlify processes the upload and deploys it right away. In a moment, you'll receive a unique site URL you can share. Open it to confirm everything looks correct. If something seems off, here are a few quick checks. Make sure index.html is located at the root of the folder you uploaded. Verify your asset paths in the HTML are relative and point to the right directories. For example, use paths like styles, /style, rather than paths that assume a different structure. Also double-check file name capitalization, since hosting environments can be case sensitive. If you only uploaded a single HTML file, Netlify will still host it and serve that page. For multi-page sites, ensure each page links correctly using relative paths. If your site uses client-side routing or advanced build steps, consider the git import path later so Netlify can run build commands automatically. You can always return to add new project and choose import when you're ready. That's it. You went to projects, added a new project, chose the upload option, selected your folder, and confirmed the upload. Your HTML site is now live on Netlify.